Hello YouTube! So recently I've seen some DIY videos and seen some other ways that other people splice wires, and I didn't like the way that they do it, so I figured I share with you the way that I like to do it. So just a couple of simple speaker wires, and a wire cutter. By the way, really recommend this wire cutter. You can find it on Part Express from the US. They ship worldwide. And just splice a little bit of the wire. As you can see, I spliced two wires at once. Fucking love this thing. And I'll just take a heat shrink. I recommend using a heat shrink and not electric tape, because they suck. And you can find the heat shrinks for really cheap on eBay from China, and they work just as great as the electronic shop ones, and they are cheaper. So yeah, so anyway, just take two wires, put them one against the other like that, with their insulation at the same end. It's hard to focus on something so tiny. So anyway, just splice both wires as neatly as possible, like that. And focus on my hand, yeah. You see, like that. And now I'll just put them apart a little bit and just bend it around itself, like so, as tightly as possible. It will make it a stronger connection and a smaller connection, which is also good. And we end up with a little ball like that. Just put the heat shrink over it, a little bit of heat, and you can see the ball in the middle. Nice, good connection, and that thing is not going apart. You need a lot of force to take it apart. It's a really good connection and an alternative to soldering. And if I'll try to, yeah, it's fucking hard to take it apart. A really good connection, really easy connection if you're don't want to solder. And I think that it's better because A, it's really strong, and B, the cross section of the exposed wire underneath the heat shrink is really small, so if it got chafed on something else, the chances of getting a short are a lot smaller, because you got a lot less exposed area. So yeah, this is my take on splicing wires. Hope it helps you. Bye YouTube!